I guess what I remember most about Passover was the fact that, like in retrospect, that I recognized we were people of limited means. My father always collected money from the other vendors, I guess, on the market to make sure that people, that they purchased Passover things for other families. I guess that's why I didn't think we were so limited. But I remember the Passover with the cleaning of the house and the changing of the dishes, and especially my mother making a sponge cake every day with 12 eggs and whipping the whites with a wire whisk. And when the cake was in the oven, we had to tiptoe so that it wouldn't fall. And then we managed to eat it all so that she would make another one. And so the next day, so every day of Passover, we had a sponge cake.